severe snowstorm swept across several regions of Canada, including Nova Scotia, Alberta, Saskatchewan and other areas, delivering heavy snow, icy conditions and widespread disruptions. The storm, which moved along the east coast, brought a mix of snow and ice pellets overnight before reverting to steady snowfall by Saturday afternoon, wreaking havoc on travel plans and daily life in the affected areas. The winter blast caused significant disruption to pre-Christmas travel plans, particularly at Halifax Stanfield International Airport. Both arrivals and departures were dominated by cancellations and delays. Air Canada issued advisories urging passengers to check their flight status before heading to the airport, citing challenging winter operating conditions. In Prince Edward Island, heavy snowfall and high winds led to widespread disruptions. Environment Canada initially forecast up to 25 centimeters of snow, though this was later revised to 20 centimeters by evening. Halting all crossings between Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. Meanwhile, highways across Nova Scotia were listed as snow-covered or partly snow-covered, with blowing snow significantly reducing visibility. The storm's effects extended beyond Nova Scotia. In Alberta, an Alberta clipper brought the season's first significant snowfall, with areas from the Fox Valley to the lakeshore recording upwards of 15 centimeters of snow overnight. Saskatoon also experienced heavy snowfall, with local authorities urging residents to avoid non-essential travel. In southeastern New Brunswick, Moncton and surrounding areas faced their first major winter storm of the season, receiving between 5 and 10 centimeters of snow overnight, Friday, with another 10 to 15 centimeters expected throughout Saturday. The Halifax Regional Municipality issued alerts warning residents of hazardous travel conditions on roads, walkways and parking lots due to accumulating snow and ice. Road conditions across New Brunswick deteriorated rapidly, prompting RCMP to advise against travel on Highway 2 between Moncton and Nova Scotia due to low visibility and slippery surfaces. The storm caused the cancellation of all ferry crossings between Wood Islands PEI and Caribou NS on Saturday. However, Charlottetown Airport experienced fewer disruptions, with only minor delays reported for incoming flights.